Hey everybody, welcome back. We are here again. This is a planner video as part of one of my many aspects of my life on this channel is planner related, and this is what I call my year planner that I use for Ariel for all the comings and goings and things going on and all of that. As far as school goes and life goes, we put it in here. No medical goes in here. No budgeting stuff goes, bills type stuff goes in here. I have separate planners for that stuff. So we need to let's see, November. Okay, November. November. Okay. So I'm going to go a little backwards. So we are going up to December, where December would be. Okay. Because this video is about getting this planner ready for December. And there's usually a lot to it, but I did some of it off camera, but I wanted to go over it with you early in the month, just in case you wanted to buy something or do something that's similar or whatever. Now, I'm a little extra. I could keep December right inside here, but I like to be festive, and I love Christmas, and I like the feeling. And so if I kept it in here with this, it's not very, the rest of the year we can do whatever. But during December is the only time that I take out and use a different planner. Okay, so I've taken out December stuff, except for this page. And when we get to this page, so when we get to the last week of the last week of November, I will pull this off because it's part of, actually I probably could take it off, but I'm not going to. But just say if we did, this would be the first page, okay, just so that you know, okay? So we took all that out. I have a Webster's Pages pleather planner. I have two of these. I have this one and I have the smaller version, which is all of my planning stuff, like shopping and decorating and all that. I needed more room to write things down, so I have a separate little planner for that stuff. And I did the video for that, so you've seen that. So this is my other one, and it does snap. It does snap. This does not get full, usually. It doesn't get empowering. But I use this only once a year. I could use it during 4th of July and Valentine's Day, but just Christmas. This is my Christmas planner. Now, these bells annoy my husband, and I'm going to go through this planner with you. Let me shut this so it's out of the way, and I will show you this one. Okay, so when you open it, it is so pretty. So I have these little decorating things right here. I love vintage, and so I do have some vintage little cards in here. I had gotten some of these a long time ago when my other kids were little, and I kept one of these tags. So he sits right there, and this is the night before Christmas saying. Just part of it though. This part says, night before Christmas and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care in hopes that St. Nicholas would soon be there. So that's what that says. Love that. And I did do a December daily of the 12 days before Christmas, or the night before Christmas. And it's over there. It was 3 years ago. So this was on, I don't have my desk set up yet. This was a cover on a box of some ephemera, some wood chips kind of things. And I'm like, I am not throwing that away. I didn't throw the box away either. But I wanted to make a cute little shaker card. So that's what I did. And then I laminated it together. It's got some foam tape in between there. And so this always stays in here. This does not come out. That's in here. The back of it looks cruddy. I should probably put something on the back. Now this right here is big and it goes out too far, but I don't care. This was a scrapbook paper that I had gotten for, I don't know, was it 2 years ago, maybe? It was, I wanted to do an antique version of Christmas. So I found some of this paper. I love it. It reminds me of my childhood. I love this paper. So this is always in here. And there's nothing on the back of it. Nothing. And then I have a little thing that says believe. And then this is what I took out of here. Okay. See how ugly that is? I am going to go through my papers and figure out what I can wrap it with. I could actually use wrapping paper and put that on there. That's an idea. And so there's that. Now, that one page I told you would go over here. So, well, actually it would go, yeah, it goes over here. So I would decorate this page. Okay, I've already cut holes in it, which was kind of hard. I need to make them bigger, the holes bigger. I need to get my bigger hole punch out. But when I cover this, I will put, that's what I did last year, is I take my washi tape and put a washi tape down the side so it's pretty and it works with the paper. And I do it on all the pages. So let me see if I can get this turned over. Okay, so here's the monthly calendar. Here's the monthly one, and it's ugly. I will decorate this somehow and make it look pretty. The lettering, I'll go back through and, because it's in pencil, and I will take a red pen and do it in red. I've already got stuff written in here. Last day of school, early day, Christmas break, Merry Christmas, Christmas Eve, her elf leaves, and New Year's Eve, we usually do a puzzle. But that's all I've written in here so far. And I know there's going to be other stuff that goes on. And this I refer to when I do my December daily, because the monthly calendar that's on the inside of it is not big enough to write stuff in there. So I have to do it in here first. And then I can go back in that and say, on December 3rd, we went to Grandpa's grave or something and put flowers down, something like that. Anyway, that's that page. And then you've got your weekly things behind it, which will get decorated. Okay, so that is my Christmas planner setup. And there's the pen and my pencil hooked right there. So that is everything. So fun. So I wanted to share that with you real quick. So if you wanted to do that, you could, or whatever. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Say hi, and we will talk to you again soon. Bye now.